If you ever wished you could just talk ideas out and have them appear as text instantly, that's exactly what this app does. In this video, I'll get you set up and ready to start dictating with Superwhisper in just a few minutes. The first time you open the app, you will land on this welcome screen. You may also see this system pop up asking for microphone access. I will select allow. And now let's start the onboarding. Okay. I already gave microphone access, but now we have to give accessibility access. This is what allows Superwhisper to paste your dictation into your active app. So let's click on allow and look for Superwhisper in this list of apps. Just make sure that you enable this toggle and enter your password when requested. Good. Now let's close this window and select continue. On this next screen, try speaking and you should see the audio waves moving. That's just confirming your microphone is working. If you are talking and you do not see anything, you probably have the wrong input device selected. Click the input selector at the top and choose the right microphone. Once it's correct, the waves should react to your voice. Next, you can purchase the app now or continue with the trial. For this video, we will click maybe later. Now you will choose a voice model. Cloud or local. We will pick Cloud because that's the fastest way to start since there's nothing to download. Local models are great if you care more about privacy or you want dictation to work offline. You can switch between Cloud or local anytime later, so this choice doesn't lock you in. Next is the recording shortcut. If the default feels good to you, you can keep it. I'm going to change mine to the FN key because I already used the right command for something else. This triggers the push to talk feature, which means you press and hold to record and you release to stop. Let's give this a shot. I will click into the input field, then I will press and hold. This is my first dictation with Superwhisper. I can see the recording window, so I know it's working. Now I will release to stop. A moment later, your text should paste right into the app. Now, if in your case something doesn't match with what you just saw, I want to give you a couple of tips to solve this. First, if you press the key and the recording window doesn't pop up, it could be that Superwhisper isn't recognizing your shortcut. Try switching to a different key like I just did. Second, if you do see the recording window, but your text stays up there instead of pasting into your app, that's usually an accessibility permission issue. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Accessibility, find Superwhisper, remove it with the minus button, and add it back. Always make sure it's enabled. Third, if you dictate and the processing seems to be going on forever, it could be something related to your internet connection or the model being used. For this case, what you can do is switch models. I will show you how to do that in just a moment. Once onboarding is complete, Superwhisper opens the settings window automatically. If you ever close it, you can get back to it from the menu bar. Click the Superwhisper icon and choose Settings. This is where you can adjust everything you chose during the first setup. To change your microphone, use the input device selector at the top. To change your dictation shortcut, you can do that within the configuration tab. Now let's go to the modes tab. Let's click on the default mode that gets created during onboarding. Here's the key idea with the app. Superwhisper works in separate steps. First, it transcribes your voice into text. Then, depending on the active mode, it can apply AI post-processing like cleaning up, formatting, or enhancing your text. Finally, it will paste the result to your front window. This is a voice-to-text mode. That means you are getting pure transcription, voice converted into text. There's no extra AI processing. If you are dictating in something other than English, this is the place where you set your language. Since I'm constantly switching between English and Spanish, I like to choose automatic because it does a good job at detecting what I'm speaking. Down here, you can see the model you're currently using. If you click it, you will see this menu with other options. The icons show whether each model is local or cloud-based. To download a local model, click the arrow next to it. Once it's downloaded, you will see a minus button appear. That's what you use to remove it later if you want. During setup, I chose a cloud model, but now I can switch to something local. I'll go with Parakeet. Now let me open an empty note. You are ready to start dictating on any app with Superwhisper. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching.